Magic in the air. Oh, yes. Today there is an amazing magic in the air because this video is not only for girls, it's for everyone whosoever loves their daughter, their sisters, their girlfriends, their colleagues, their teammates, their neighbors, whomsoever you feel like loving. This video is for everyone. Yes, today I'm gonna talk about something that all the girls are feeling, the uneasiness during their 4-5 days of menstrual monthly period, how we can reduce that pain, how we can make our life more easy and comfortable and in our own control during those days. During my monthly period, I was feeling a lot of unease, and I think many of the girls are feeling that same. One thing, many changeovers after every 2 or 3 hours, go to washroom and change. Another, avoiding exercises because of this changing part. One more thing, that is I was always avoiding going to the beach and water bodies. Another thing was not feeling very productive because of many changeovers and going to washroom number of times. Then was thinking what to do, what else can be there, then make these days more carefree. I have been practicing law of attraction, manifestation techniques, hope, no, meditation, visualization, affirmation, so much. So one day when I was sitting in my meditation time, and those were my period days, menstrual monthly period days, and I was thinking that what else can be done to make these days more productive, more creative, and I can make them more easier. Then the idea come up that yes, do your Google research, find it on YouTube, talk to your friends, and I did that all. And yes, when you look for something, the answer comes to you. So yes, I was talking to one of my friend, and when I was talking about this particular area, she said yes, she is using something which is making her life more better and easier. And then I asked her why not to share with me. And here is the idea, here is the concept, what she was using, and now I've been using it for 4-5 years, and it's creating amazing ease in my life. Yes, when you ask something, it is given. So my friend gave me that solution, something that she was using, menstrual cup. Yes, she was using menstrual cup, and then I've been starting using it, and for the past 4 to 5 years I've been using it, and it's making my life so easy, smooth and convenient. And other benefits of this using menstrual cup is it's lower in cost, and obviously it is less landfill waste. Another thing, you are going to the store, it's reducing basically your store visits to buy your pads. It's giving you more time between changeovers, and no embarrassing order. Last part, very easy to use, very simple to use, and along with this, it is giving you amazing peace of mind and mental health. And yes, there are 2 big benefits that I find using in menstrual cup. Number 1, making my own life easy, comfortable and simple, and second, reducing the landfill waste. Yes, I'm helping environment, I am catering to Mother Earth with this simple use of one thing.